Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how I've implemented the midsection here with the robot. As you can see, it allows the robot to turn its waist. And this will allow it to be more realistic in its motion. For instance, if it wanted to be in more of a fighting stance, which is really hard to do now because there's no power going to the servos, which means everything is flopping around just like a skeleton without a proper bone structure. You know that it'd be able to sort of punch something by using this kind of motion, which is far more realistic than what usually goes on in the robots, where they sort of do this kind of funny thing going that way instead of having the whole twisting action, which is what you need really to create power when you fight. So this thing has around 18 motors, and I'm not sure if I'll even be able to get it up and running as I explained in a previous video. But what I'll do is I will try to get this Luan Soul kit working with the PS2 controller, and we'll see if it can even move. But I don't know what I'm going to use to power it up. I think it takes somewhere between 4 and 7 volts. I hope that'll be enough to actually get it moving, but we'll just have to see. Anyway, this is my update for the robot, and see you in the next video.